Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, I'm going to show you how to pair your Roku remote to your Roku device. If you've just bought a new Roku, or if your remote has disconnected, I'll walk you through each step to get it paired up and working perfectly. Step 1. Identify your Roku remote type. First things first, there are two main types of Roku remotes, the IR remote and the enhanced or wireless remote. Knowing which one you have is key because they pair differently. Step 2. Power on your Roku device. Next, make sure your Roku device is powered on and connected to your TV. Switch your TV to the correct HDMI input to see the Roku home screen. Once you're here, you're ready to start pairing. Step 3. Pairing an IR Roku remote. For those with an IR remote, this is easy. Insert batteries. Make sure your IR remote has fresh batteries. Simply point the remote at your Roku device and press any button. It should automatically start working as there's no extra pairing step required for IR remotes. Step 4. Pairing an enhanced Roku remote. If you have an enhanced remote, the process is slightly different. Open the battery compartment. Open the back of your remote to locate the pairing button. This is usually under the batteries. Press and hold pairing button. Press and hold the pairing button for about 5 seconds. You should see a light start blinking on the remote. Conclusion. And that's it. Your Roku remote should be paired and ready to go. If you still have trouble, it might be a good idea to check if your remote or Roku device needs a software update or to try pairing from the Roku mobile app.